Best car wash kits. Number 3. Mofeez Car Cleaning Tools Kit. Soft material for dust cleaning of central console and instrument board. The curved brush fits perfectly on the tire surface. Take care of your rear view mirror. Squeeze out tons of foams. Quick cleaning for windshield. Absorb water in 1 second. A soft towel protect your car paint. Long reach handle for interior cleaning of wheel. Pros. Includes 9 auto cleaning tools that are made from fine materials and are designed to be soft, sturdy and durable. Kits tools are specially designed for easy use. More affordable than many comparable kits. Cons. Kit's wheel brush is poorly constructed and may break after limited use. Bottom line. A terrific car wash kit that enables you to keep your car looking shiny and new. Number 2. Turtle Wax Ultimate Car Care Kit. 10-piece complete car kit includes car wash, tire shine, odor X spray, scratch and swirl remover, wax, and dry spray wax. Ultimate Car Care Kit makes for convenient detailing and easy application, including everything you need from wash and protectants to interior cleaners and odor eliminators. 4 innovative products from quick and easy line perform more tasks in less steps: wash, wax, shine, and protect in less time. Turtle Wax Wet in Black Ultra Wet Tire Shine's fast-drying formula protects against harmful UV rays and provides high shine with a more wet look, shine and no sling. Pros. Includes an odor eliminator and refresher spray that destroys odors at the molecular level for up to 30 days. Fast-drying tire shine formula protects against harmful UV rays. Offers an excellent kit for professionals or those who are new to detailing. Cons. Interior cleaner and tire cleaner may deliver minimal shine in comparison to other car wash kit products. Bottom line. A complete car wash kit from a trusted brand that includes interior cleaners, odor eliminators and other top-of-the-line car wash products. Number 1. Chemical Guys Car Wash Bucket Kit. Easy to use kit combines everything needed for the perfect car washing. Wash away dirt and grime with heavy-duty bucket, slick wash soap, and soft wash mitt. Choose Mr. Pink for light-duty cleanings, or Citrus Wash and Gloss for heavy-duty dirt, bugs, and grime. Control abrasive dirt and debris with Grit Guard insert to reduce swirls and scratches. Grit Guard color may vary. Snap on the bucket lid to make a fast and convenient seat, stool, or step. Pros. Includes a heavy-duty detailing bucket that is 30% thicker than competitors' buckets for ultimate durability. Comes with an ultra-soft microfiber wash mitt and drying towels that make it easy to remove heavy debris. Features specialty car wash soaps that deliver proven results. Cons. Large sprayer that is included in the kit does not fit inside the bucket. Bottom line. An 11-piece kit that includes everything you need to perform the perfect car wash. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.